Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some succulent smothered turkey neck. So let's get started. Y'all already know I wash all my meat, so I got my turkey neck sitting in lemon juice and water. Next, we're going to make the seasoning paste. I have garlic, jalapeno, thyme, and lime juice. I'm going to put it all in the mixer and just marinate the turkey necks with that. Next, you just want to pour it all over the turkey necks and mix that in. Just like such. It's not going to be too hot, so don't worry. Next, I'm going to add my spicy girl, or you can use a meat and poultry seasoning if you don't have my spice, and allow this to marinate for two hours to up to overnight. Next, I'm going to stir off the meat in the skillet, get it nice and caramelized. Don't get rid of that juice because we're going to use it. As you can see, I left it right there, honey. Yes, and this is how you want it to look. Next, I'm going to saute my onions and my peppers just like such. Get it nice and caramelized, about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my flowering. You want to mix that up and let that saute for about 2 minutes. Next, you're going to add your chicken stock, chicken broth. I had to heat mine up. Mix that up and make sure you season it. Alright, so I'm going to add some potatoes and some scallions, and this is how you add it. At this point, you want to make sure you season to taste. This is where you taste your gravy, make sure it's to your liking, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to let that cook for another 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like, y'all. It was just so tender, so flavorful, and I loved it, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try.